Ito na yata yung pinakamaganda kong naging Montero. Kaya ikaw, kung naghahanap ka ng quality na Montero, lalo na to, kulay puti pa, I got you ulit. Paano ba naman kasi? Kasa maintained since birth. So this is the 2021 Mitsubishi Montero GLS Automatic. Sa exterior, meron kang flawless na diamond white paint, auto-retractable side mirrors, may turn signals dito, 18 inches alloy wheels, naka-all-terrain tires. At since naka-all-terrain tires, upgraded na yung suspension nito. At dito naman sa harap, projector headlight, LED day running light, fog lamps, may camera dito at new face na to. Under the hood, meron kang 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, turbocharged automatic transmission, diesel engine. At kailangan ko pa bang sabihin? Hindi na, alam mo na yan. At sa pinakalikod, LED taillight, may rear sensor, may rear camera. At sa trunk, naka-Hypotec mat to all the way at foldable yung third row seat. Kaya maluwag yung trunk space. At dito sa cabin, sobrang premium at brand new pa ng feels. May mga control sa steering wheel, may paddle shifter, may cruise control, analog and digital display, equipped na ng dashcam, touchscreen infotainment system, digital climate control, USB ports, automatic transmission with manual shifting mode, electronic parking brake, iced coffee, at hindi naman sa pagmamayabang pero may mga plastics pa yung sun visors at infotainment system yan. At sa second row, maluwag ang leg, shoulder and headroom, 6 foot ang height ko. Meron siyang aircon controls, air vents, outlet source at armrest with 2 built-in cup holders. At sa pinakalikod, kasya ko, 6 foot ang height ko. Meron siyang air vents at 2 cup holders. Kaya kung ako tatanungin mo, ito ang pinaka best buy mo sa market ngayon. Kaya syempre, ako nagbebenta nito for only 1,285,000 pesos lang. Confident ako na lowest and freshest in the market to. Peace out.